Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna press edits, bring the exposure all the way up to 100, brilliance all the way up to 100. I'm gonna highlight, bring it down 32, shadows down 26. Yeah, contrast down 30. Brightness down 15. Black point up to 10. Saturation of 15. Vibrancy of 20. Yeah. Warmth to 8. Tint, we're gonna bring it up to 14. Sharpness to 8. Definition of, bring all that way up to 38. Yeah, and then we're gonna all the way back down and bring exposure back to 0 like this and save it. And that's the fastest way